Namaste. So I hope you have installed the app and you have configured, and you do know now how to properly shut down the app server also. So now let us start the scanning process. So I'll double click and start the browser. So it will remember all the settings what you had initially done. I hope the settings are now properly configured, like three things: camera, camera values, camera resolution, and the trim values. Once these are done, now the entire app is based on two main keystrokes. One is escape and the second one is spacebar. So it will start scanning as soon as you press space. In between, if you want to stop or if you want to reset, just hit escape. So everything will reset. So say I just hit the spacebar, and you can see the first page is configured. And now in order to go ahead, I just need to open the page, and for the next space pressed, it is going to take both the spreads. Now in, like, I assume this is what mistake over here. We want to reset. So in order to reset, we can just hit escape. So if we do hit escape, it will reset, or it will start the scanning from the start. Now, along with the scanning part for QR code, like three ways QR codes are going to get detected. One is, say, after you press the space bar, if image and everything is proper, you can see the QR code name is detected. This usually may not work. So the best thing, I just hit escape. Best thing is to take QR code closer to the camera. You can see the QR code is now detected. In case if this is also not working, so I again hit escape to reset the QR code values. Now QR codes are detected on both the sides. It is either the left or the right camera from which the value is going to be taken over here. So whenever a value is registered, it is the booklet name is logged. So I hit escape. In case if QR code is not proper and if you want to use the gun, gun's value will only be registered in the right QR code. So the status is ready, and as soon as I align and I try to take the value, you can see now the value is received from the gun. So now we are ready to scan. I purposely I have reduced the number of this thing main answer sheets. So I just press space. You can see the first page is there. And for next pages, till I reach the last page, I just hit space a few times so that now I reach. So you can see the number also 5, 6. Now the last page is there. So I close the booklet, and now once the final space is received, it will download the PDF automatically, and you will also be able to what we can say, see that the scanner software also resets over here. So this is everything about the software app. Now in order to close, just close the tab from the browser, so it ensures that both the cameras are released, and over here in this black window, just press Ctrl C, Y, and then hit enter. So the software is now closed.